In the ever-evolving world of trading, staying ahead of the curve and making well-informed trading decisions is the key to success. In order to achieve trading excellence, you need to have the right tools at your disposal. That's why we are thrilled to present the ultimate Smart Money Concepts bundle, a meticulously crafted collection of game-changing indicators that include the groundbreaking order blockchain indicator, alongside a suite of powerful tools such as the Market Structure Pro and Propulsion Edge. This bundle is your passport to unlocking a new era of precision trading. Whether you're an experienced trader looking to refine your strategies or a novice eager to embark on the journey towards trading mastery, our collection of indicators is designed to empower you with the insights, accuracy, and a competitive edge. The Smart Money Concepts bundle is definitely worth a closer look. But before we begin, I want to ask you for a quick favor and show your support for the channel by hitting that like button. Also subscribe and turn on the bell, enabling notifications to stay up to date with our future videos. On the chart, we have the euro against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. And at the heart of the strategy is our order blockchain indicator, which is the revolutionary tool that deciphers the mysteries of order flow, allowing you to spot significant market turning points with unrivaled accuracy. It is then combined with the Market Structure Pro and Propulsion Edge indicators. With these, you will have a comprehensive toolkit at your fingertips to identify opportunities, manage risk, and optimize your trading performance. Firstly, we are going to start off by making a couple of changes to the different indicators for our strategy. For the order blockchain indicator, we are going to leave everything on default except for the following option, which we are going to increase the size of the signals to make them easier to identify. Then for our next indicator, which is the Market Structure Pro, we'll unselect the following option to clean up our charts. Lastly, for the Propulsion Edge, we will unselect the following option to keep our charts nice and clean. The combination of order blocks and market structure is the key for this strategy. And the way that we'll be using them is that we are only interested in signals that have both indicators present on the chart. What this means is we are waiting for an order block signal or signals and then for it to be confirmed with a break of market structure. Then lastly, we'll be using the Propulsion Edge indicator for our exit strategy because it's ideal for identifying market turning points. Now, from the chart, we can observe two bullish order blocks that have been marked in blue with the letter B next to each of them. Additionally, we see from price action that we have now broken the level identified by the Market Structure Pro, which is also marked in blue. Now, once we get this BOS or break of structure, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy trade, I'm going to place my stop loss below the most recent block, which is marked by the indicator, and aim for a risk of 1 to 2. For this example, my stop loss will be set at 32 pips and my take target will be set at 64 pips, giving me a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. By combining the power of order blocks with the insights provided by the Market Structure Pro, we are able to enter this winning trade. Next, let's explore another trading example. And for this example, I've selected the Australian dollar against the US dollar in the 15-minute time frame. And one of my favorite aspects of the strategy is that it can be used on any time frame available on TradingView. This means it doesn't matter whether you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, you'll find fantastic trading opportunities using this combination of indicators. From the chart, we have two bearish order blocks which are marked in red and showing us that we have a strong supply zone that has been tested multiple times. What I like to do is mark these zones as follows because price action will often come back and retest these zones in the future. Then, after the second order block has been identified, we get a break in structure or BOS that has been marked by our Market Structure Pro. Then, following the same money management rules as before, I will place my stop loss a couple of points above the zone at 13 pips, and my take target will be set at 26 pips. Once the trade is running in a profit, you can always move your stop loss to break even, and then you have a risk-free trade. Now it is crucial that you keep an eye on the propulsion edge indicator because this leading indicator will tell you when the trend might stop or reverse. To do this, you can always enable notifications, meaning you don't have to spend so much time in front of your charts. Next, let's explore another trading example and look at how to exit using the propulsion edge indicator. On the chart, we have Apple in the 15-minute time frame. And following the same rules as before, firstly, we are waiting for an order block to be identified. In this example, we see a strong bearish order block which has been marked in red. Now we are waiting for a bearish change in market structure which is marked with the letter S. What you will notice is that order blocks are providing us with quick scalps as the market swings from one zone to the other. However, to get those bigger wins, we are waiting for an order block plus a break of structure or BOS. Once we get the bearish break of structure, we can enter our sell trade. And for the sell trade, I will place my stop loss slightly above the bearish order block and leave the take profit as blank because the reason is we are waiting for the propulsion block to be identified, which indicates the slowing of the downtrend. Of course, you can set up notifications for all of these different criterias, meaning you don't have to spend as much time in front of the charts. Next, let's explore another trading example using the propulsion edge as our exit indicator. For this example, I've selected the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. Firstly, we are waiting for an order block to be identified in the market. This time we see a bullish order block, which I like to mark with these lines same as before. Next, we are waiting for a bullish break of structure to show us that we have enough momentum to move the market. This is identified with the blue letter B. Then, following the same rules as before, we can enter our buy trade, and I'm going to place my stop loss below the order block at 36 pips. Then, as our exit signal, we are waiting for the propulsion edge to identify propulsion blocks, which marks the slowing of the uptrend or the change of the trend. Of course, once the trade is running in a profit, you can move your stop loss to the entry point and turn it into a risk-free trade. So, you have already seen me using the strategy on a bunch of different instruments, but what about cryptocurrencies? Let's take a look at an example. On the chart, we have Bitcoin against the US dollar in the hourly time frame. And from the chart, we can observe three bearish order blocks that have been marked in red away from a supply zone that has already been tested multiple times. Then we observe a bearish break of structure which is marked with the letter S. After the candle has closed, confirming the bearish break of structure, we can enter our sell trade. It is important that you need to wait for the candle to close to confirm the break of structure. Now for the sell trade example, I will place my stop loss above the recent order block and leave the take profit as blank. For those of you that are using trailing stops as a part of your strategy, you can always use the length of the stop loss and use that value as a part of your trailing stop. Then, once we get the bullish propulsion block, this is our signal to exit the trade. The reason is the propulsion block indicates a slowing of the trend or a potential reversal. So there you have it, the ultimate smart money concept bundle to get those bigger wins. These indicators provide us with valuable insights into market movements, and this is going to take your trading game to the next level. If you haven't done so already, I highly encourage you to visit our website and explore the remarkable benefits of our exclusive TV Champ membership. With this membership, you gain access to a comprehensive collection of custom indicators for TradingView, as well as any future indicators we'll release. If you're eager to delve into the world of these next generation indicators and want to learn more, I invite you to check out our YouTube channel. I sincerely hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.